Location, location, location. Great retail space in historic downtown Hartselle. This is an ideal location for a restaurant, antique shop, or other retail business that would benefit from a high-count traffic area. The building has 2 bathrooms, a private office space, large retail space, and features a front and rear entrance. Recent updates include the new tile floor and the installation of a compressor on the HVAC unit. The price of $130,000 includes a treasure trove of restaurant equipment and fixtures that are valued at an estimated $40,000. Including oven, 8x8 walk-in cooler, stainless prep tables, display serving case, booths, tables, chairs, etc. At this price for building and equipment, it will not last long.